Nkokheli Moni. My leader, let me be straightforward to you on this matter. Angazi noma mina ngifunde ngibhekise phansi in the communique kaNomvalo uSG. My leader, we must also know that ukuthi when the person is being appointed nationally, angeke sifunde umqondo womuntu wonke ukuthi uwumuntu onjani, futhi angeke sazi i-aim yomuntu ngoba abantu bavela with a clean face, innocent face, with a big smile. Ifana nemoto uyithenga iyintsha eyinhle, within 3-4 months mayisiqala kunika ama-problems ungasawatholi ama-parts wayo, bese khani ubona ukuthi hayi man, ngizifake enkingeni la. My leader, kuningi okwenzakele emkhontweni, kuningi, and it seems like we don't learn from our mistakes. That is why umkhonto uzohamba uhambe uluze bonke abantu abeze kumkhonto ngoba bebonakalisa ukuthi bona bebexakwe yini ngale kwagogo. Umkhonto into engiyinotisile unenhlanhla yegebengu. I want to put it that straight to you to say umkhonto unenhlanhla enkulu kabi yegebengu. And umkhonto unenkinga yokurecognize the good people who are doing the groundwork. And unenkinga yokurecognize people who can pull the ground. La ngabona khona mina ukuthi umkhonto unenkinga yokurecognize abantu. Let me take you back when umkhonto was launched in 2023, 16 December. After that launch, Soweto, there are people who took the risk of everything that they have. Why? Because of the love of Ubaba, President Zuma, and not per se the love of Umkhonto, but the love of President and the ideology of Ubaba Msholozi, and also his background when he was in the presidential office in that time. Now, Umkhonto, why ngithi not per se Umkhonto? It's because of Umkhonto, it's been there. But the political landscape on that Umkhonto Wesizwe party is just a party. Noma ngabe kuthiwa ke ubaba wayibiza Impumelelo organization or Impumelelo political party, people they were going to join because of Ubaba, President Zuma. Now, abantu, they took the risk with all what they have, sacrificing to do AMA events, all the provinces, all the regions into their provinces. Taking a risk of starting the organization from the lower level until where it is today. Let me tell you one thing. You will never see one of those faces into the detachments of Umkhonto Wesizwe party. Even one. The only people that you'll find there are friends of those who are in the upper structure, who are just aligning themselves, having that strategy of hijacking things. I'm taking you into my point also again to say ANC was hijacked by intellectuals, people who knows how to maneuver and hijack things. That is why you see in the ANC those boys who went to school but who don't understand the revolution, who only knows how to maneuver and make money into any organization and buy Hennessy's and buy expensive alcohol and smoke cigars and fancy cars. EMK adopted the very same thing. You know, this thing started when the time when we were list, when we were doing our signatures for IEC.